Okay, the twins' 8th birthday, so I'm gonna try and figure this lighter out.
Candles.
So I'm lighting some candles. Okay.
I'm not sure if they're trick. I don't think they are. I hope not. I had these candles put away for a while. I forgot about them. So we have 16 candles on there, 8 for each twin. And I even made
Okay, ice cream cupcake.
Okay, they can come in now. Come on in.
Okay. Happy birthday, twin.
Wow. That's the cake?
Yeah, you gonna go
Watch him.
help each other blow it out?
Hey, what's that?
Let's sing happy. Wait. We gotta sing happy birthday to you.
What's that again?
Okay, go ahead.
Happy birthday to you girls.